Hey, what y'all doing? You feel me? Dog in the booth. Nah, Progressive, you feel me? I done went and got the glass insurance and shit. Bro, that shit was on Monday. Today is Friday, bro. I gotta go get my shit done. And Cody pulling up for Safe Flight. I'm not about to reschedule this shit, bro. Niggas in damn there done pissing me off, bro. Talking about, well, you gonna have to, if they don't end up paying for it, you gonna have to end up, you know, paying for it, and we'll just recover you, pay you back. Pay me back, bitch, it's $400. $400, niggas acting like it's $200, bro. A lot of shit dirty. Even if it was $200, I wasn't gonna pay that shit. Look at this, though. You feel me? Right there, big ass crack. Going all the way over there. You probably can't see it on camera, but I'm gonna show y'all when I get to work and shit. I got a lot of shit to do anyways today, but it's Friday. You know, I'm gonna tell myself I'll bring out the camera and shit. Just start my car channel, cause I got too many fucking channels I supposed to start it already, you feel me? But yeah, here it go right here. You probably can see, there you go. You can see it on the camera for sure. On the camera, you can see that bitch. That motherfucker go all the way up there, bro. That's what I'm saying. They talk about, well, we gonna have to, man, it's basically taking them too long, nigga, to motherfucking fix it. So I told them niggas I'm gonna front the cheese. I'm gonna front the 5, bro. Y'all gonna give me the 5 back though, bitch. I'm fronting the 5, you give me the 5 back, and we all good. Shit, that's really how I gotta go anyways, nigga. So that's what I'm going on. So right now I'm supposed to be at my shit at motherfucking, what is she doing? Be at my shit at motherfucking 8 o'clock. That bitch say 8:11. I don't know if I'm focused on the right thing, but I'ma holler at y'all when I get to work. You feel me, dog? Luciano. Real niggas in the lot. Pussy nigga on the internet keep sending shots. The 7 now I want them dead before tennis rock. Only spam game, bitch. I'm the top recruiter. You can miss me with that box and I be popping Rubers. On the green on the end got a ruler. Down in Texas selling ice, but I am not a jeweler. Ask about me on the 8. Hey, let me turn this down. Shout out my nigga Rocaine, bro. Hey, I got my motherfucking windshield fixed. Let me show y'all. Have to shoot me. Look right there, you feel me? Oh, and right here, you feel me? Yeah, so let me go ahead and boost this bitch on in here, you feel me? Yeah. Oh yeah, you feel me? Yeah. That shit feel good having my shit in here, bro. So they got the tape. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when I get out, but y'all can already see this bitch pressure right here. This bitch pressure, bro. You feel me, G? Yeah, so they done fixed my shit. You feel me? It took them a long ass time and shit. I wasn't fucking with all that, but let me go ahead and show y'all this shit right here. Yeah, brand new motherfucking windshield. So they got the little shits over there. And over there, oh motherfucking now, you feel me? I'm about to get the grill switched the fuck out. 22-inch rims, mounted the fuck on. And in the back here, show y'all something real quick. And here I'm about to upgrade these bitches, you feel me? Cause you can see at the moment, them motherfuckers ain't even, look at that shit. Them bitches ain't even nothing, bro, you feel me? So yeah, as you can look at me and look at this shit, these bitches ain't banging enough. So I'm gonna go get some kicker 12s and shit, 22-inch rims, all that, you feel me? But into the meantime, that's what y'all see right there. Got the wing put on. Y'all need a wing. If you go get this bitch, you ain't gonna get no wing, bro. You might as well just keep it at the dealership. You feel me? So yeah, that's the new windshield showing y'all.